Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by isolating power and confirming 0 voltage. This prevents shocks and lets you work confidently. Once done, group the incoming feed, neutral, and ground so you can route them cleanly. Neat routing reduces interference and short risk. Make sure to strip wires to the correct length and attach lugs or ferrules. Good terminations ensure low resistance. As you position components, tighten a single lug finger tight, then check alignment before final torque, because proper seating matters for long-term reliability. Once the conductors are positioned, route each feed to its assigned breaker so currents follow predictable paths. This minimizes heating and simplifies troubleshooting later. Make sure you leave a small service loop near terminals so future work doesn't stress connections. Secure wiring with insulated ties to prevent chafing. Then tighten breaker and bus connections to the specified torque, because under or over torque causes failures. Finally, label every circuit plainly so you or others can identify loads quickly without guessing. You finish by performing staged verification. Restore power and observe indicators, listen for unusual buzz, and feel for hot spots. These signs show problems early. Then use a clamp meter and voltmeter to confirm currents and voltages match expectations and that phases are balanced. Imbalance points to miswired breakers or loads. If you detect an issue, shut down immediately and recheck terminal torque, correct wiring order, and ensure neutrals are not tied to grounds. This is the usual root cause when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.